Hello everyone, welcome to Quantifiers. So students, today we have taken a very good question based on sets and Venn diagram. Let us discuss this question. I would request everyone to please pause the video and then students look at the solution. So I hope all of you have tried it. Now let us discuss it. So I hope the data which is given here is clear to all of you. Let me quickly explain you. See, this question is based on class 7th. Okay. So let me tell you about class 7th only. In class 7, there are 35 students. Okay. In class 7, there are 35 students. And moreover, here what they are telling is in this table that out of these 35, there are 15 students who are getting more than 90% in English. Okay. Similarly, out of these 35, there are 22 students who are getting more than 90% in physics. Similarly, 22 are getting more than 90% in chemistry. 21 are getting more than 90% in maths. 15 are getting more than 90% in bio. Now, let me make it simple for you. Instead of taking subjects, try to understand it that let's say there are 5 types of chocolates. Now, this method is much easier to understand. So I'm assuming there are 5 types of chocolates A, B, C, D, E. ठीक है? अब इसका क्या मतलब हो गया कि now question is related to class 7, तो हम class 7 के बारे में ही बात कर रहे हैं. So total there are 35 students. Okay. Total there are 35 students. Now, if you look at this data, this basically means that 15 students, you can say they are getting chocolate of type A. ठीक है, तो हमारे पास टाइप ए की चॉकलेट है. 15 स्टूडेंट्स को वो टाइप ए की चॉकलेट मिल रही है. सिमिलरली 22 are getting chocolate of type B. 22 are getting chocolate of type C. 21 are getting chocolate of type D, and 15 are getting chocolate of type E. Now, one very important thing which you need to understand here is that let's say if any particular student is, let's say, getting 2 chocolates. So students, if anyone is getting 2 chocolates, वो जो 2 chocolates हैं, it should be of different type. It cannot be of the same type. राइट तो अगर किसी को 2 चॉकलेट्स मिल रही है तो उसको ए और बी मिल सकती है. ही मे ऑल्सो गेट टाइप ए टाइप सी, टाइप ए टाइप डी, राइट, टाइप ए टाइप ई एंड सो ऑन. राइट, you cannot have 2 chocolates of the same type. Let me give you another example. Let's say if someone is getting 5 chocolates. Okay, so the person who's getting 5 chocolates, obviously he will be getting 5 chocolates. All 5 chocolates should be of different type. So obviously he will be getting each type chocolate, right? He will be getting 1 chocolate of each type. I hope this point is clear to everyone because this is very important. Okay, now students, let us see the question now. Now, if you convert the question in the form of chocolates, basically what they are asking is, they are asking about number of students, and here they have written at least. So at least का मतलब क्या हुआ? We have to minimize, let me write it for all of you. We have to minimize number of students. हमें number of students को minimize करना है. Now minimize number of students. Which students? Who are getting minimum 2 out of 5 chocolates. Okay, जिनको minimum 2 out of 5 chocolates मिल रहे हैं. तो मिनिमम 2 का मतलब क्या हुआ? मिनिमम 2 out of 5 का मतलब क्या हुआ? बेसिकली मोर देन 1, राइट? मोर देन 1. So we need to minimize the number of students who are getting more than 1 chocolate. I hope this question is clear to all of you. जिनको एक से ज्यादा चॉकलेट मिल रही है ना, वो आपने स्टूडेंट्स कम से कम लेने हैं. ठीक है. Now let us come to the total number of chocolates. Now if there are 35 students and if you add the total number of chocolates, so students, this total comes out to be 95. So we can say that there are 95 chocolates and number of students are 35. अब एक बात आपको समझनी है, हमारा एम क्या है? देखो हमारा गोल क्या है? हमारा गोल ये है कि एक से ज्यादा चॉकलेट स्टूडेंट्स को नहीं मिलनी चाहिए, राइट? वी आर मिनिमाइजिंग द पीपल who are getting more than one chocolate. So now how will I start with? My aim should be no one should get more than one. So what I'll do is initially I'll give one chocolate, exactly one chocolate to each of them. So if I give exactly one chocolate to each of them, so can I say 35 into 1, 35 into 1, 35 chocolates will be distributed. अब 35 chocolates देखो distribute हो गई हैं. Total chocolates were 95. Now how many are left? We still need to distribute. We still need to distribute 60 chocolates. अब देखो आपका एम क्या होना चाहिए? That we should try to distribute these 60 chocolates among minimum students, है ना? ये जो 60 chocolates हैं, ये हमें minimum students में distribute करनी है. I hope this point is clear to everyone because we want to minimize the number of people. So to distribute these 60 chocolates, you should try to use minimum students. अब एक बात आपको समझनी है, no one can get more than 5 chocolates, okay? No student can get more than 5 chocolates. Now everyone has already received one, okay? Everyone has already received one. So can I say now I can give a maximum of 4 chocolate to anyone? Because see, everyone is already having one. No one can have more than 5 chocolates. So now any particular student can get maximum of 4 chocolates. So students, now if you want to divide 60 chocolates and a maximum of 4 chocolates can be given to anyone, how many students would we need? So 60 chocolates, if I divide by 4, that means I need 15 students. I will need 15 students to distribute these 60 chocolates. तो अभी इसका एक्चुअल में मतलब क्या हुआ? इसमें एक्चुअल में मतलब क्या हुआ कि ये 15 स्टूडेंट्स कौन से हैं? ये 15 स्टूडेंट्स वो वाले हैं जिनको एग्जैक्टली 5 चॉकलेट्स मिली है. That means there are 15 students who are receiving exactly 5 chocolates. क्योंकि एक एक चॉकलेट आपने बिगिनिंग में दे दी. Now we have distributed 4 chocolates to 15 students. So there are 15 students, they received exactly 5. So 75 chocolates yahan distribute ho gayi. So remaining out of these 35 students, 15 are getting exactly 5 chocolates, and students remaining 20 students, because there are total of 35 students, remaining 20 are getting exactly 1 chocolate. Now you can see total chocolates are coming out to be 95 and total students are coming out to be 35. So what is the answer now? That minimum we need 15 people. Minimum आपको 15 people चाहिए ही होंगे who will be getting more than 1 chocolate. So students, 15 is the answer. I hope all of you have understood this method. Anybody, any doubt, you may please post it in the group, in the WhatsApp group in which you are added. I'll try to help you out. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, everyone.